In this video, I'm going to go over the no calculator free response portion of your Unit 2 Part 2 review. So we have two equations here, a log equation and an exponential equation. Our first says to solve g of x equal to 4. So we're going to set this guy, log base 3, 8x plus 1, set that equal to 4. Since the log is already isolated, our next step is to change forms. So the base of the log is 3, so the base of my exponent is 3, raised to the 4th power equals 8x plus 1. 3 to the 4th is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is the same as 9 times 9, or 81. And then we'll subtract 1 and divide by 8 to get 10. Second one, we're going to take our second equation and set it equal to 20. Okay, this case we do need to isolate our exponential function. So I'm going to add 7, divide by 3. Okay, now we have that isolated, so we're going to change it into log form. Since the base here is e, I'm going to make the base of the log e. Since this is base e, our log base e is natural log. So we're going to have natural log of 9 equals x plus 1. Okay, last step is going to be subtracting 1. So we get the natural log of 9 minus 1. And without a calculator, that's as simplified as we can get it. Okay, down here we have another log equation and an exponential equation, but we're going to be using the properties of logs and exponents to rewrite them. So we're going to take j and rewrite it as a single logarithm with base 4, no negative exponents, and our result should be in log base 4 of something. So we've got three kind of chunks here. The first thing I'm going to do is look at these coefficients and use the power rule. Okay, so this will become log 4 2x squared. And I put that in parentheses because that squared is going to apply to both of those. So before I do my next step, I'm going to clean that guy up a little bit. So log 4 9x squared. Log 4. So this becomes 4x squared. Okay. Next I can combine these two. Since this is a plus, we're going to be multiplying these two guys. So I'm going to multiply the 9 and the 4 to get 36. Multiply the x squared and the x squared to get x to the 4th. Okay, next we have subtraction. So we're going to use the quotient rule. So it's going to be this over this, 36x to the 4th over x cubed. Then we can reduce this. So our final answer is log base 4 of 36x to the 4th divided by x cubed is just 36x. Next we're going to rewrite the exponential in the form of 3ax plus b. Okay, so the first thing, I've got that's a base 3, that's a base 3, that's not a base 3. So I need to write that 27 as a 3 cubed. Times 3 to x plus 4 over 3 to the x. So this is going to be 3 to the 27x. I can combine these when we have a base exponential with that same basis and we're multiplying them, we're going to add the exponents together. So this is going to be 3 raised to the 29x plus 4. Okay, when I have the same base and I'm doing the quotient, you're going to be subtracting. So we're going to do 29x minus x would be 28x, and then 4 minus 0 is just 4. So that is your free response portion, the free response, no calculator portion of your review.